Hey, what's up everybody? This is Usama here, and in this video we're going to learn how to leverage the custom objects data in your high-level dashboards. So if you take a look at my screen here, I have a custom object set up called orders, and there's quite a few of them here, and our goal is to show this data visually so it is easier for us to see what's going on and we can make decisions which are more effective. So let's go ahead and go to the dashboard right now, and then I'm going to click here and click on add dashboard, and we're going to start from scratch and just call it custom objects demo or something like that. We could make it private or just public depending on however you want to set this up. So let's just proceed with this for now and click on create. And once it's created, we're going to click on edit here, and now we're going to select the first widget. So the first one, I want to keep a numeric one, and if we scroll down you will see orders right here, which is the name of my custom object. So we are able to access the information here. So I want to firstly show the total number of orders. So let's go ahead and select that and hit save. So it is going to show that data right here. Then we're going to go back here, and then let's choose this line metric here, and then scroll down again, and then I want to access the count of orders over time. So let's select that, and view by created is fine, breakdown daily is also okay. So we'll go ahead and click on save, and now it is going to give us an overview of how are we getting orders over different dates in a given timeline. And then let's add one more widget here. So let's choose this bar thing here, and I'm going to scroll down, and for this time let's see the sum of total amounts. So let's go ahead and create that. And once you have added your widgets, you could also arrange them in a way you'd like. And once you're happy with these settings, then you can go ahead and click on save changes, and now we have a dashboard ready that is leveraging our custom objects data. And in a similar way, you can access these objects inside of your reports as well. So if you head over to the reporting part in your HighLevel account, you can create a custom report. You could essentially just import the existing dashboard that we just created, and the only difference is that the dashboard is inside your HighLevel account. But if you want to schedule a report to your clients, then you can just import it like this and then send it right away, or schedule it based on a custom frequency, like sending it at a specific time every week or every month. So this was a quick tutorial on how you can leverage the custom objects inside of the dashboards and custom reports. I hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to go through our help docs or visit our official YouTube channel.